Hello everyone, warm welcome to E365, AI-enabled education management system. World's most comprehensive student lifecycle management system with a built-in LMS tool. Integrated solution for academic and non-academic activities. Automation with a 360-degree needs with just-in-time data. Built-in video conferencing tool help manage virtual or real-time classrooms. Fully managed database services with high data availability. E365 data lake to measure teaching learning outcomes. Unique examination process for universities with a 360-degree sitting plan. Blockchain-enabled technology to protect high-sensitive data, strongly secured for data access, retrieval, scalable, and highly customizable. Print grade cards, certificates, and academic transcript. Integrated text messaging and email for complete transparency. E365 supports enterprise-wide deployment, supports multilingual, multi-location, and multi-currency. Artificial intelligence can be implemented in voice solutions, automate attendance and location detections, career predictions, virtual advisor, automating organizational tasks, personalized and customized learning. Let me log in as a student or parent and show that functionality which is available. On successful login, user get to see list of options for seamless data access from time to time. Built-in support to multilingual capabilities is one among the multiple features available in E365. To help manage academic performance at its best in most disruptive time like this, E365 provide meaningful communication in timely manner under institution options. Announcements like notice board, event alert, and newsletters are published for easier and quicker updates on all happenings within the institutions. To give more insight into classroom schedules, student can select timetable option to view classroom schedules. Also, to help track subject performance, student can select attendance option to view subject-wise class attendance. E365 built-in LMS will help educators to deliver more with well-planned activity schedule. Lesson planning, subject-wise homework and assignment, diary notes assist teachers to keep updating upcoming activities well in advance. Students have options to submit, upload homework and assignment on timely manner. Status monitoring option within E365 helps students to monitor academic responsibilities and auto alert them on pending activities. Quick access to course curriculum, academic transcript, study material and sample question papers and worksheet related to each subject mapped to the student in current academic year. Test and exam performance of students are captured at micro level against each subject. It also helps them to understand their areas of interest and weakness for better throughput yield. E365 help educator to focus more on average and medium performer and arrange remedial classes or arrange one-to-one subject support to better perform in their academics. To make all communication more meaningful, E365 uniquely crafted Communic model for one-to-one subject support with each subject teacher for better understanding and academic excellence. E365 help educator to conduct faculty feedback by student on each subject with custom configurable questionnaire for best academic results. Educators also conduct surveys on school facilities and infrastructure to help build best-in-class teaching environment and also to support teaching learning processes. Teacher's mobile interface. On successful login, user get to see list of options assigned for teacher login. E365 framework-based technology dynamically assign menu options based on login types, except common functionalities between all its stakeholders like profile, institution, and happenings. To know more about time schedule of logged in teacher, teacher must select timetable option to view her time schedule. Teacher have options to mark attendance directly from the timetable. E365 built-in LMS model helps teachers to execute her lesson plan, assign homework and assignment on each successful classroom activity. Teacher have options to grade homework, assignment and alert student on non-submission. Class substitution or class exchanges on mutual or by administrator in case of any unscheduled activities within the institution help educators to manage students even otherwise. E365 helps teachers to capture cumulative subject marks or question wise breakup and auto grade performance based on marks. Marks captured at micro level used for analysis, mentoring and advisement related activities. E365 help teacher and educator to measure teaching learning outcome in its unique ways. Syllabus coverage of each subject based on test exam analysis for improved performance. Thank you.